Hi, today in front of me Poco M5s and I'll show you how does the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first let's open the box and we can check and see that this is the USB cable, the charger brick. On here in this paper box we got only paperworks, so unfortunately we have no any earbuds. That's why if you want to use them with your Poco device you should buy them separately. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.